New tonight, the South Carolina Supreme Court strikes down the state's 6-week abortion ban. They ruled it was unconstitutional this morning. WSAV's Jason Raven breaks it all down from our South Carolina Capitol newsroom.
In a 3-2 decision, justices at the state Supreme Court say South Carolina's ban on abortions about 6 weeks into a pregnancy, also known as the Fetal Heartbeat Act, violates a woman's constitutional right to privacy. Opinions from the justices were officially released this morning. This comes a little less than 3 months after they listened to oral arguments in a state lawsuit challenging the law. Abortion providers in South Carolina say the ban violated the state constitution. Attorneys for the General Assembly, governor, and others say the right to privacy does not extend to a right to abortion. Now, in her opinion, Justice Kay Hearn, the only female justice, wrote, while this right is not absolute and must be balanced against the state's interest in protecting unborn life, this act, which severely limits and in many instances completely forecloses abortion, is an unreasonable restriction upon a woman's right to privacy and is therefore unconstitutional. And 2 other justices dissented with her opinion. Justice George James wrote, "When I put aside any personal preferences and reviewed the issue under South Carolina law, I conclude a citizen's right to be free from unreasonable invasions of privacy does not extend beyond the context of searches and seizures." South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson said that he respectfully but strongly disagreed with the court's ruling and will be reviewing the state's options moving forward. Now, in a statement, Governor Henry McMaster, who signed the Fetal Heartbeat Act into law in 2021, said, in part, the court has clearly exceeded its authority and he's looking forward to working with the General Assembly to correct this error. State lawmakers return to the State House on January 10th. And currently, South Carolina's 20-week ban on abortions is in effect. Jason Raven, WSAV News 3, on your side.